To refer to a return to a previous place or state. Come back, go back, take back. She will come back from vacation next week. I forgot my phone, so I had to go back home. He wants to take back what he said earlier, to indicate support or endorsement. Back up, back someone, back a decision. Can you back me up in the meeting? The manager backs his team in every situation. The board backed the decision to expand the business, to indicate a rearward position or movement. Step back, move back, sit back. Please step back from the edge of the platform. He told me to move back so he could see the screen. I decided to sit back and enjoy the show, to refer to a past time or event. Back in the day, back then, back when. Back in the day, we used to play outside all the time. Back then, life was much simpler. Back when I was a student, I loved reading, to indicate recovery or resumption. Back to normal, back in shape, back on track. After the crisis, things are finally back to normal. He started working out to get back in shape. We had some setbacks, but we're back on track now. Common collocations with back. Back and forth, right back, back to work, give back, bring back. They kept arguing, going back and forth. I'll be right back after lunch. After the holidays, it's time to get back to work. It's important to give back to the community. This song brings back so many memories.